Hey folks, today we are going to make turmeric milk. You can use the milk and sweetener of your choice. This is what I've chosen to use: rice milk, ground turmeric, black pepper, cinnamon, and organic blue agave nectar. Note that this recipe makes approximately 2 cups worth. Feel free to double or triple the recipe if sharing. This is a fairly simple recipe to make. Pour your first 4 ingredients into a pot and heat, stirring occasionally. We add black pepper to this drink to help aid in absorption. I added a lot. You can just add a pinch. Simmer on low for approximately 10 minutes. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. If you haven't, consider subscribing. Keep an eye out for my upcoming video on the benefits of turmeric, and check out the description box below. Adios, ciao, bye.